see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
I coulda won. No, welcome back to the newbie gang. What is up? What is your issue? What happened? Say good morning. Ah! Good girl. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you off to, mama? What are you eating? Hash brown. And where's your milk? You have your milk? Yeah. And then where are you going after? Are you going to daycare? No? This girl doesn't want to go to daycare. But anyways, guys, welcome back. Currently, I decided to treat her today. So my day off, I decided to treat her to some hash browns. You know, usually we have breakfast at home and whatever, but she said she wanted hash brown. I don't know what she knows about hash brown, but I said, you know what, whatever, I'll just treat her today because all week she's been eating at home. It's okay to treat them once in a blue moon, you know? So I'm actually going out to meet up with another YouTuber, Annesha Adams. If you guys don't know who she is, you guys will see who she is, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are familiarized with who she is because she is a Canadian Jamaican vlogger. She currently moved to Jamaica, so she has been uploading a lot of Jamaica vlogs. We're gonna go out today and just do some stuff, chill out. This guy to my right is watching me talk to my camera. So awkward, but whatever. He thinks his window is tint, but like it's not tint. I can see right through. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go get our nails done. We're probably gonna grab something to eat after. We're not sure. Probably go to the mall. I don't know yet. Like, honestly, today's gonna be like a freestyle day. We're just gonna do whatever whatever comes, but I know for sure we're doing our nails. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. After that, I'm probably just gonna head back home. I need to go do my eyebrows because my eyebrows need to get done. I frigged them up, so hopefully when I go they're not gonna be too thin because I end up plucking them out, whatever, but I need to go get that done. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop this little one to daycare and then I'll tune in back with you guys. What do you mean no? What? What do you mean no? Your face shiny like bo no. Daycare is fun. You get to see all your friends. Anyways, I'm gonna go call Ziggy. He's at work right now, so check in with you guys later. So I just dropped Nella to daycare. She just cried, almost made me cry. Oh my god. Yo, this is why usually I try to drop her as early, not early, but because it's like the longer she's with me, she just thinks she's gonna stay with me, then I always feel so bad. But I have to go and do some stuff. That's why I dropped her to daycare. Plus you know, like if you're in daycare here, you can only miss a certain amount of days, or unless you're sick, and for the year they only have a certain amount of days that they can miss. So but I'm probably gonna pick her up early today and then just chill with her at home. That's how, yeah, after I'm done this, I'm gonna pick her up early if I have nothing to do and just chill with her. I feel so bad. She almost made me cry, man. But usually the teachers always tell me like after I drop her, she cries for like 2 seconds and then she's fine, which I know, like, but it just breaks my heart. But anyways, I'm gonna run in to go do my eyebrows. I'm not gonna bring you guys with me because this place is kind of bougie and I don't like when I'm filming and people come up to me and be like, oh, you can't film me here. Like, I don't like that embarrassment. I don't like feeling shame. So I'm gonna go do my eyebrows real quick and just doing a cleanup. I only thread my eyebrows. I don't wax anymore just because I find that thread lasts longer and I just rather threading my eyebrows. It hurts a little, but I just rather it over wax. Yo, I hate when this happens. You know, when you stick to, listen, whenever it comes to your eyebrows, your nails, whatever, something that you know you're gonna always have to do, stick to your one person, okay? Just always stick to your one person. The girl didn't really do my eyebrows bad. Like, they look okay, but there's this one girl there that does it like usually really good. Like, this one came out good, but this one's like fucking thin, bro. Like, what the hell? Bloody hell, fam. I'm cheese. And my whole freaking lashes came off. Like, bruh. I'm so cheese, bruh. So So I'm here waiting on Shauna. She was at home doing nothing, so I'm like, you know what, come sis, come true. So I'm here waiting for her, and I'm still waiting on Anisha because so basically we planned this day from like last week. But so this morning we were texting each other and I was getting Natalie ready, whatever, but I thought she was up, like ready to go, like, you know, getting ready. But she wasn't. We never had like a specific time that we're meeting up. So I was like, hey girl, I'm about to jump on the highway, I'm 5 minutes away. Totally forgot that we didn't even have a specific meetup time. So I'm waiting on her as well because she was still in bed and she's getting ready. So yeah, so I'm just waiting on her, and then we'll be heading. Hopefully I could just start jumping on the highway to meet with her soon because it's been a while since we last spoke. But I also need to go and return. So I bought this foundation. Such a nice foundation. This is their double wear stay in place makeup. But so the color that I have is 5W1 bronze. So when I first bought this, and the first time I tried it on, like I actually put it on my face, it matched me so good. Now when it was my birthday, I was like, that was another reason I was pissed for my birthday, because you know I wanted to wear makeup and all that stuff. When I put this on my fucking face, I didn't say the word, see, I want to swear because of how frustrated I am. This was so white. It doesn't make any sense because when I first put it on, it matched me so good. And then when I went to go put it on for my birthday, it was so white. So that was another reason why I was actually cheesed for my birthday, because everything I was just putting on and it was just not working out for me. So Shauna ended up having the same brand, but her color is 5W2. So now I'm gonna have to bring this back to change it, because I don't know why it's making me look so white when the first time when I tried it, it matched like so nice. So hopefully they take it back because it has been more than 30 days. But I just don't want a refund. I just want to exchange the color. So hopefully they can change it for me. Yeah, that was so annoying. I literally like beat my face, and then I was like looking in the mirror and I'm like, why do I look like a ghost? I went upstairs and Shauna's like, whoa, and I'm like, sis, I'm saying the same thing. I have to wipe off everything, but yeah, so I need to exchange that as well. So I'm gonna have to come back to the mall to do that. I got you. Yeah. I'm trying to give you a little song to bust out, you know? Look who it is. So we finally meet up.
Yes, after so long.
She's so beautiful in person, guys. The vlogs don't do justice. But anyways, we're here about to do our pedicure. We just checked in. Pretty much anywhere you go, you have to check in, just in case, you know, there's like an outbreak or something. Yeah, so you have to check in.
So that's what we're gonna do.
And then we don't know what we're gonna do after. We're literally just flowing with the day. Hopefully we can go to a
bright. I'm here too.
Oh, sorry. Shauna's hair follower on YouTube. Yo, why did your YouTube page pop up on my thing?
Really?
And I'm like, this girl didn't even upload.
The last time I uploaded, I had to do a video for school and I had to make it public. I was cheap.
Wow, you could have just unlisted and send them the link.
Yeah.
Is it your favorite teacher?
Yeah, but she didn't have a YouTube account. So
she just had to send her the link and she could see it like privately.
Oh. Anyways, I think it's private now.
But yeah, we're about to do our pedicure. My toes are so needed for a pedicure. I'm cheese. Anisha's gonna see my toes. My toes are long.
Oh, girl, I didn't do my pedicure since I
said numbers, bitches. This girl said she didn't do. No, I'm saying you're about to see my long toes.
I didn't do a pedicure for like 4 months, so.
Yo, when I was in Jamaica, the kids used to make fun of my toes whenever
really?
Yes, they used to call my toes long.
Long toes.
Yes. All of us. Look at the big hairnets. Not hairnet. What do you call those things?
Pardon?
What do you call those things you put over your head? This reminds me of that.
Calves?
The shower calves. They look like a big shower calf.
Oh my god.
So can you guys believe that we actually live in the same town? And I always bump into your sisters. I never ever bumped into you. But most of the YouTubers I know in Canada, they live like way out west. So
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I
pedicures. Now we're waiting on shawnabanana over here. This girl's getting like some extra.
No, I'm not.
Extra treats.
Because it took longer to take mine off.
Oh, okay, whatever. But our toes are done. Oh. Even though we're so conscious about our toes. quick little glimpse. I'm self-conscious about my toes, unfortunately. But we're about to go get some food because I'm hungry. Last thing I ate was, what did I have? I had a cup of tea and a hash brown. But I'm hungry.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get some food, probably gonna get some fast food. And then we're going shopping-ish. We'll see what happens. Like I said, we're literally just going with the flow of things right now. Nothing's planned. As you can see, the time was even planned. But yeah, we'll check in with you guys. And you guys can see. Maybe we'll do a mukbang, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe, we'll see. If we can find something interesting to talk about.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I don't want to interrupt you. No, it's okay. I love your vlogs. Love your whole family. It's so cute. It's really nice seeing you.
You should have said hi. No, because I saw you look back, so at first I was like, oh.
Because I saw her, and I recognized her because I'm like, oh, that's like Shauna.
People always say that. People always say they recognize Shauna.
I'm like, oh, that looks like Shauna. Then I heard your voice, and I'm like, that's not like Nisha. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Tats by Gigi on Instagram.
Really, no, I want to get like a tattoo here. I'm not scared, but
very painful, but very worth it.
No, his work is a guy.
It's a girl.
Girl?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Bye. I just bumped into one of my subscribers while doing my nails. It's so funny because when we were doing our nails, I saw her look back. So I thought maybe like was someone I know.
It's me. It's always me. They always know me first.
They always recognize Shauna first, literally. But anyways, we're about to go get some food right now. So guys, we just got our food after we had to drive a journey and a half to get Shauna's food, and they messed up her order.
Yeah. It's like the only Wendy's in Scarborough on Eglinton.
Like,
we're in Eglinton.
We're far, man. From where we were. Eglinton is somewhere. But anyways, McDonald's has their Monopoly, so like if you collect the little stickers.
Oh, I threw out mine the last time. I didn't even check.
Girl, look, I have a free coffee right here on my door.
Oh.
And then I just collect them and do them. I put them. I signed up online though.
That's crazy. And I had 4 burgers the last time, and I ate all of them, and I just threw out the box. So I could have at least won probably like 2 things.
You probably did. They're on your drinks too. And I got a $10 Hudson Bay card.
Nah. I can't believe I bought 4 burgers and threw on. I could have got a Bay card.
You probably got some free food still.
No, I think I did too.
See, look, I got a medium fries.
Where do you see it?
Look. Did you rip off it properly? No, you're ripping it off wrong. You're leaving the whole sticker on. So yeah, I got a medium fries. But I stick these ones on my door.
Oh, so you don't forget?
Yeah.
No, I'm not doing this correctly. Hold on.
You're probably ripping off literally the whole.
It just says Niagara Falls.
Oh, by the way, guys, I have 1 lashes on. If my eyes look weird, I'll put it on after.
Wait, why? Put it on now.
Pass me the bag on the floor.
You
don't want to collect them?
What does it say though?
You just have to this is on your bag, and you just stick them on it.
And then what do you do when it gets filled?
Yeah, you might win something, girl.
Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, so it's actually Monopoly.
When you move out your own country, you go to another. Okay, so this is the board game, okay?
And I love McDonald's so much. How am I not up to date with this?
Yeah, so you get these little stickers. Now you have Niagara Falls. You put Niagara Falls here, and then you have, what is this, Signal
So
Hill?
do you have to fill up the whole thing?
Yeah, so each thing that you fill up, so like if you fill up the 3 of this,
you get something?
Yeah, you have to like look. So 311, 310,
wow.
309. You get all of this. Oh, sorry, it tells you right here. You would have got like the PC game bundle. You could win 10,000
You'd
cash.
actually get it.
Yeah, if you get 3, but it's hard to get. It's not easy.
Yeah, I was like,
it's really hard. The opposite of what she got. So I got the same burger, but like not spicy. Because sometimes the spicy ruin my belly still. Oh my god.
Oh really?
I just put mayonnaise on my pants.
I like everything spice.
Yeah, no, the spicy, it's good.
Nice.
But did you try when they had like the 3 different kinds? It was like 3 different hot ones.
No,
so
I just came back and I found out they had this here. And I was like, oh, let me try it.
Okay, which one's better? McDonald's fries, Wendy's fries, or Burger King?
McDonald's.
Right?
McDonald's.
Yo, Burger King used to have this nice fries. But like now, I don't know, they changed their fries. I don't really like it.
Their fries,
it's just big for no reason. Big
and has no taste to it.
Yeah.
I like McDonald's fries and Popeye's fries because with Popeye's, their fries taste good still when they're cold. McDonald's fries when they're cold, they
You know,
don't
you need to
taste
try. Ever tried McDonald's fries with honey? Their honey,
good. Really?
it's so good. Please try it one day. Just ask for like their honey. It tastes so good. Everyone thinks I'm crazy, but it's so good. And
Don't worry, I'll try it.
if you have Wendy's fries, have it with their frosty. It's good.
I seen that one on social media.
Mm-hmm.
That one looks like it'll run people's belly.
It's
Honest.
good. It's good. It's good.
So let people. For those who don't like watch me, my YouTube channel is Annesha Adams
Oh, girl, don't worry. I did all
on
that already.
YouTube. Oh,
But yeah,
and Instagram Annesha.Adams. And did you tell them what I do?
Yeah, but you can tell them again. Tell them again.
Oh, so I just make Jamaican-based videos. So if you guys want to see my life through daily vlogs while in Jamaica, you guys can go on my channel for that. I share beauty, hygiene, hair, home recommendations, Jamaican-based products.
Yep.
So you guys, if you guys want to know like what's nice at Bashko and all those places.
She shares a lot of stuff, even her animals.
Oh,
Cutest thing ever. She's so cute with them.
I love animals. So so if you guys like country life too, because
Yep.
I know a lot of Jamaican YouTubers are in St. Andrew, Kingston, Portmore, whatever. So if you guys want like a twisted Jamaican YouTubers, countryside. I vlog a lot about country this, country that. So if you guys like country, then you guys can come to my channel.
Definitely check our channel out. The videos are good.
Oh, thanks.
Especially if you're just looking for like something relaxing to watch. This is it right here. Sometimes I'll be in my bed and I'll just kick up and watch her videos.
Really?
On my TV, yeah.
Oh wow.
Because like when me and Ziggy vlog in Jamaica, like that's how we are. Like we're just chill.
Yeah.
Like we just like the light. Like we just like to chill. Like that's us. Yes, go out and have fun, but the chill vibes, like that's us. So I'll link. Yeah. As I said earlier, I will link her YouTube in my description box. Make sure you guys check it out. Show her some love. Let her know the NEWBY fam sent you guys over.
Yes.
I highly recommend. I mean, I highly know. What's not what I'm trying to say? Wait. I gotta cut this all out. Hold on. You guys will love her vlogs. The word that I want to say is not gonna come out, but you guys will love her vlogs. I'm telling you. She even so like I said earlier, she did move down there. She lives down there right now, and she even has like a video on her, how she transports her stuff, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So if you guys are like trying to or want to think to do that route, and she's very informative. That's what I love about your channel. This girl does not hold back on anything. Like she's so informative.
Yeah, you have to help people.
Yeah. So if you want to ship stuff down, she'll show you like different ways to do it, how to save a little money. Yeah, man. Did they fix it? That smells so good. Damn, I wish I got one of these. What'd they say? They give you a hard time?
No. Well, actually, she was gonna try that, and I pulled my lie.
Oops.
I tell them that I spoke to head office. I was like,
You actually said that?
Yes. I'm like, is this a franchise or singly owned? Because if it's franchise, then all rules apply. They have one lash on you.
I know. I know. I was supposed to fix it before I ate. I was supposed to fix it.
I'm like, is this a franchise or singly owned? She's like, franchise. I'm like, if this is a franchise, I spoke to head office. You cannot deny me the right to buy the chicken by itself because I have a gluten sensitivity to the bread. So you might just want to adjust the price.
So they gave back money?
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Oh, you don't play.
I've never spoke to head office before.
But the fact that they even just took your word, that's
They
crazy.
want me to pay for a full sandwich and only give me the meat. No, we're not doing that.
What is Pearl doing? So what can we talk about? This is your niche right here.
Buddy, I just
Girl,
joking.
bye. That's so funny.
I'm joking. Life. You guys can tell your younger self something. What would you guys tell yourself?
That's a good question.
Like, what would your advice be?
Mine would be keep going. Because since I was in high school, I mentioned this before on my blog, but like I wanted to be a nurse. But because of like my marks in bio and chem, I was like, I settled. I settled with the law. Law wasn't really what I wanted to gear towards. And there was like other ways for me to get into the nursing program. So I wish I just researched more and like just kept going.
Yeah, keep fighting, pushing through. Because that's like with me with the RN program, it was so hard for me to get in. And then I just kept talking to different advisors and stuff like that. And even though the rules are what the rules are, there's certain ways or like certain like extenuating circumstances where they'll allow you to like, you know, bend the rules a little bit to get in, because UIT was gonna allow me to reduce some of my RPN courses to boost my average so I could get in. But then I found that Trent had the compressed program, so I ended up doing that. Because I think for UIT they don't allow repeats for courses even if you didn't fail.
Really? Do you have extra salt? My fries are like half salted.
Really? What would you tell yourself?
I don't have anything right now. I literally don't. I'm trying to think. Really? I've done everything that I wanted in my life so far.
That's good.
But it could be like encouragement. For me, I'll tell myself I'm worth it. Bitch, you're worth it, yeah, you're worth it.
I know that question is one of those ones you have to kind of think.
Yeah.
Like, I've kind of already thought about that, so that's why I kind of knew the answer.
Yeah, ask me again probably another day. That stuff I have to actually think
Watch,
about.
I'm actually going to call you and be like, so did you think about it?
No, I'll answer maybe in another vlog, but now I have to actually think. I'm trying to think, like, was there anything I could have improved on?
I'm worthy and invest in yourself.
Yeah, always.
I know, right?
Spend time with yourself.
Always invest in yourself.
That's what I've been doing, like since I got out of a relationship. I just been rediscovering myself, and it's actually like before I wouldn't go to the movies by myself, go out to eat by myself, but now I do that shit because I'm like,
really, I don't. I like company though.
Why am I like company as well, but I'm like, while I'm sitting here waiting for someone to come do these things for me, I can do it for myself. And then it's like when I went out and did it myself, it's like I felt good, and I'm just like, okay, this is what it's supposed to feel like, you know, this is what loving me is supposed to feel like. So then when I get in a relationship, this is what I'm expecting.
Yeah,
if you're giving me anything less than this, me no auntie.
Literally.
That's true. I feel like a lot of times in life we forget ourselves. Like, self-love is so important, and self-love comes in so many different ways. Whether you just take the time to sit out and reflect on something, or treating yourself like pedicure, or like you said, go out and eat, or just something like self-love, facial at home.
But even like taking time out to yourself though is not only about materialistic things. It's like restoring yourself. You need to also invest in things that are gonna restore you, like, you know, like going out by the water and just like clearing your mind. And honestly, I remember in nursing school they would always make us do these reflections, and I'm like, these are so pointless, they're so dumb. But honestly, I actually unconsciously reflect a lot. Sometimes just in silence, when I'm driving in a car, when I'm listening to music, I zone out and just reflect. And it's actually very, very helpful to see where you went wrong in a situation, or like how you can better yourself, or like what you want out of life.
Yeah,
That's true.
wow, so nice.
She's so deep, eh?
Yeah,
That's not even deep.
No,
I
I
think
swear.
that's not deep.
wait, is this it? My food is done.
This girl said, is this it?
It's because I'm used to buying so much food from McDonald's all the time.
Oh my god, really? You still hungry?
Yeah, it's okay.
Go to Wendy's, get something at Wendy's.
Wow, you eat a lot.
Okay, so I have Sprite, if anyone.
And I'm drinking Coke after I just said I need to stop drinking Coke. You see? Devil.
Let us know down below which one you like. Wendy's, McDonald's, a McDonald's gang.
Honestly, I think my favorite out of all of them is Burger King, but in Canada I feel like they're not holding it up to
It's
par.
a hit or
Like, you know,
miss.
they're
Yeah,
not-
it's not like how it once was.
like if they could just have some consistency and just like the cosmetics of it, like how they look, and not be so sloppy inside.
Like the other day I had a Whopper from Burger King. Oh my god, it hit the spot. Everything was just fresh. The tomato, the lettuce, everything. The patty, I literally sat down.
But when I go inside too and it looks old,
Yeah.
that turns me off too.
Which fries do you like? McDonald's, Burger King, or Wendy's? Which one's the best?
If they're made nice and fresh, I feel like, nah, Wendy's has some good fries though. I was gonna say Burger King, but Wendy's
I
has
think
good
McDonald's
fries.
fries. When they're freshly made too.
I say McDonald's
Yeah.
all the time.
McDonald's are a date.
So has everyone that you met through like social media, have they been nice? Have they been the same people that
Yeah.
you see on like in video?
Everyone I met so far, yeah, they've been really nice. Like I was saying earlier, like when we were talking off camera, like the vibe is just nice. Like I connected with everyone. Like I never,
Okay, that's good.
I never really felt awkward. Remember I was telling you earlier, like sometimes even when I was gonna meet you, I was like, you feel like I felt like I know you because I watch your videos and like I know your sisters and I talk to your sisters, but I'm just like, and we talk on social media like every now and then, but I thought I'm like, is it gonna be awkward? Like, are we both gonna be shy? Like, I don't know, because I was telling you, I'm a shy person. A lot of people don't know that, but I'm actually a shy person. I'm such a shy person. But like since we met, like even you two, you guys are just talking, like the vibe is good.
But that's
energy feeds off good energy.
Yeah. Do you know, Nisha, I used to be really shy, like back in like grade 4 and 5, to the point that when the teacher used to take attendance and call my name, I wouldn't answer.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah, and then like I would wait for them to look up at the desk to see if I'm there. Like when I went to HJ Alexander, that's how shy I used to be when we came back from Jamaica. And then sometimes teacher would be like, you have to say hi, and I'm like, hi, here.
I know. Remember when we used to always be together, Shauna? And then when we would get split, it'd be so sad. Because when we went to school in Jamaica, we were in a class together for a little, and then they ended up splitting us. Do you remember that? And again, we were sad. And then another time they split when we were in Top Chilani, they split us, and we both got licks the same day.
Why?
And then we went on break. We both ran to each other, and we just hugged each other. Crying.
Why did both of you guys get beads?
For me, it's because everyone
It was coincident though.
It was coincident, yeah. But like in my class, my table, like no one did their homework. I did my homework, but that teacher was mean and she still beat me.
Oh! My whole damn potato dropped.
Did it?
Drop in the bag?
Dropped out!
Oh, my camera's hot.
They didn't even
rip the bag open.
I'm bringing it back to them right now, but you guys did not close this properly. Like, look.
Today's just not your day.
It's not supposed to fall out like that.
Yeah, no, they didn't lock it properly.
Guys, let us know who your fave YouTube like channel that you like watching, so we can know some different people that we should watch. I try and name people that aren't like prank
really know?
prank relationship channels. I don't watch prank relationship channels, so try and name ones that don't do it. Now I'm always trying to find new people, and even if you do YouTube as well, link your channel down below so I can go see.
I know, right? It's true.
I watch everybody. You can have 100 subscribers. If you have good content, then I'm gonna watch you. I don't care about the subscriber account when it comes to content. Okay?
Yeah, let us know, man.
Yeah.
I know, because like a lot of the people I watch now, or that I have like I'm subscribed to, it's all pranks. Like I'm just tired of seeing the pranks.
Yeah. And it's pissing me off.
It's annoying.
Some of the pranks that I'll think that I'm like, oh my gosh, like what's happening? And then after they've literally lied, and I'm just like you're lying to me as a subscriber. I'm not going to want to watch
but
you.
Those are the channels that are getting all the views, like,
which is fine.
Yeah, do your thing.
They have their own niche, right? So
someone messaged me yesterday and they're like, oh, can you prank Ziggy? A lot. Actually, that's another thing I've been getting.
You guys
They
did
want
a
me
few. It was funny though.
Yeah, and those are real. Like those are
They were-
genuine.
yeah, I was
but I'm
about to say that.
like, I don't have time to do this all the time. You know how many pranks I've done and the camera just shut off, and I'm like, fuck it. Like, fuck it, I can't.
Yeah, those ones are good.
But
I remember the cheating one that he did, and then your sister started cussing him.
that was brutal.
That one was hilarious.
That one and the freaking rat one. When I had Nyla in my head, I'm like, Ziggy, suppose I dropped her. Like, what would you have done?
Yeah, those were good. But other than that, like, I don't subscribe to any of them because of that. They lie a lot, and it gets my heart racing, and then I'm like, you guys lied the whole time.
Unless they lie and they're like really, really, really good. Like some of them are good. Some of them are fake, but some of them are good.
No, I'm just mad.
Yeah. You're so annoying. Okay, yeah, so you were born in Canada, right?
Yeah.
So now that you moved to Jamaica, do you find that people have like, or has anyone ever made the comment saying like, you're not Jamaican? Like, you know, because your background is Jamaican, but like you're living in Jamaica. So people, how do I explain it to you?
No, I've seen, I've seen probably like a few comments. People are like, if you're not born there, you're not Jamaican.
Yes, that's what I mean. Because I used to get that, and I'm just like.
But it doesn't make a difference, because let me tell you why. Because a lot of people, they may, okay, say if they're born in the USA, right? But at a young age, they came to Jamaica and grew up in Jamaica their whole life. You can't tell that person that they're not Jamaican. Because as the saying goes, like, Jamaican's more of a lifestyle than an actual just like ethnicity, nationality. And I agree 100%, because you can be Jamaican. Oh, what's the difference from a Jamaican that was born in Jamaica, but they left Jamaica at like 1 year old and they grew up in America their whole life? That don't even know as much as someone who moved from the US at 1 and grew up in Jamaica. So that's why I say all the time, I'm like, that makes no difference at all.
Yeah, because I remember someone made a comment like that on my channel.
Yeah, it happened.
I'm just like,
I just ignore them because you don't know what you're
it's not even like, okay, one, I am Jamaican. I'm born in Canada, but I am Jamaica and Guyanese.
Plain and simple. This is what it is. Ask Ancestry.com. From you have the DNA in your blood, I don't care if it's 0.10000000001. I am claiming it. Okay, so don't worry about where I was born. Don't worry about that. It's in the DNA. So I'm it.
Yeah.
I'm it. You don't want me to be it? Too bad. Like, how does that, me saying I'm Jamaican, why are you gonna waste your energy on,
Literally.
that's another thing when we talk about energy, positive energy, bitches. Like, no, like we're not wasting energy and time on things that's not worth it. Let me pretend to be Jamaican.
But it's okay.
Let me pretend.
So like in our case, even though we're Canadian, but our background's still Jamaican. Like our parents are Jamaican. We've lived there when we were younger, blah blah blah. It's not like we're walking around saying, oh, I'm Jamaican, or I just went to Jamaica and now I'm Jamaican. That's the thing that when people used to comment that, I'm like, I'm not even walking around saying like I'm Jamaican now because I'm in Jamaica. That's what I never understood. Like people
like you
just
actually have the DNA in your
And we
it's
grew
like
up there too. Like it's, I just ignore because of that, because I'm like, listen, I went to school down there, grew up. Like once we came back up here to Canada, we went to Jamaica every single year. I'm 25 now. Like it's not gonna end, so there's nothing I can do.
It's just ignorance.
Yeah, that's
people,
what I'm thinking.
People be like, I'm not a nurse. I'm just like, okay. I'm not. To you, I'm not.
Oh,
Let's
okay,
see,
yeah.
let's see you drop dead in front of me. See, let me see. And I'll show you I'm not a nurse.
Yeah, I just don't understand why people always like certain stuff they comment. I'm just like, you know what times I type and I just erase. I'm like, no. Or Ziggy like, just don't even answer.
Yeah,
them.
don't answer.
Is that just not
it doesn't
worth it?
look good on your brand either. Them and move on,
I
or just
know.
delete the comment if you don't want to see it.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, that happens. I don't care. I know that
Whether people like it, I'm about to say whether they like it or not.
But
Like,
shit, it's not a big thing that people are like. Jamaica's so big that people want to be it. Like that's a good thing.
yeah,
Literally.
right? No, but some people get offense. Like you are not Jamaican.
Okay.
Yes, I am partly Jamaican and
So
Guyanese.
party.
So what?
Yeah, because I'm mixed with Guyanese too.
Yeah.
I doesn't really talk about Guyana.
You don't.
Because I never been. I don't really know much. Like
You
the much I
literally
know is like
don't.
my mom. Like what my mom has taught me.
But
like, my
even
grandma.
mommy's more Jamaican than she is.
I know.
Can you guys take this
in?
Or just today?
What? Guys, I'm in Jamaica right now.
Nah.
After spending money.
Well, you.
And spending our day together, we're partying for now, just for now. But it was nice meeting you in person, sweetie pie.
It was nice meeting you too.
Yeah, like
It was fun. I liked it. It was nice vibes. Maybe next time, I know we'll plan something.
Give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see me in another vlog of hers.
Yes, or you know, we can always do another mukbang or question anything.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll make sure my order is right this time.
But bye. See ya.
Later.
And make sure you guys go over to her channel and subscribe and check out her part of this vlog as well, because she did vlog some stuff that I didn't vlog. So make sure you guys go over there, subscribe, and share some love. So I'm back home, picked up Nyla, and then I had to stop at the mall because earlier I mentioned that I needed to buy a new foundation. So I ended up stopping at the mall. I was so cheap because you have 60 days return, and I bought that foundation from July. So I ended up missing, yeah, I'll open it for you. I ended up missing the 60-day return policy, which really sucks. So I ended up having to buying a new one. That foundation is not cheap. I mean, like, it's okay, but still, like, yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I bought. I got Nyla and Lyra some Halloween stuff, so it's like a coloring book. She loves Paw Patrol right now. And then I got her some stickers, some Halloween stickers over here. I was trying to find her a costume, but I can't find anything for her. So I ended up buying Nyla these two tracksuits. It's really hard to find tracksuits that don't come with tights. One, I really love the color. But then it came with tights, and like it's not really tight season, but whatever. I said I could pair this with something else. And then I also got this Puma one, and the prices were good. Like this was $24 and this one was $21, so not too bad. And then I just picked up some clips for her hair, one of these freaking long washcloths for myself because I like these. And I just picked up this little simple top for myself just because I like pairing these with like joggers, whatever, if I'm chilling around the house. So I just picked up that, and then I got this big picture frame. I'll show you guys in a second. Picture frame right here that I was thinking to hang on the wall over here. So we'll see how it looks. I don't know where I can put it somewhere else, but this was $16. I really couldn't pass up on it, and I like it because I wanted to hang more pictures in the room. So now I just have to print off pictures. So I think I'm gonna put it over here. We'll see how it looks though. I gotta ask Ziggy. So I did mention in my last vlog that I had some stuff from CUPShe, and I need to get this review over and done with. So I'm just gonna show you guys really quick what I got. If you don't know CUPShe is a website that offers like clothing. They do offer a lot more bathing suit, but this is from their athletic side. So I guess this is something new that they're offering as well. Super cute athletic stuff that I saw on their website. I was actually excited when they reached out to me. So shout out to CUPShe for sponsoring this video. A couple years ago, I think a year or 2 years ago, I did get some bathing suits from them. But this time I got some athletic wear, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys real quick. So we're going to jump right in because we don't need a long introduction. The first thing that I got was this sports bra from them. This is an extra small. I do feel like I definitely could have went up a small, but I also have my bra on, so maybe when I if I don't wear my bra underneath this, it'll fit a little bit more to my size. I don't know, we'll see how it feels. Right now I do have my bra on. I guess I could have took it off to show you guys, but whatever. So this is the first top that I got from them. It is a sports bra, as I said, definitely making the tatas look really good. Just ignore my bra, but the back does have like a design right here. Has a cute little cutout, which is cute. And then I also got these bottoms from them. I need to try to figure out how I can see if I can tilt the camera maybe. Okay, and then I did get these black tights from them. I'm not really a big fan of tights because I am more on the skinnier side, but these are cute. They do have a lot of stretch to them. This is the extra small. This is how it looks on me, and it does have a lot of stretch to it, which I really do like. It does also have this little pocket right here if you want to put anything in there. I'm not sure, I guess like your phone. This is extra small, and this still does have a lot of stretch to it, so I am happy with the size. So as I was saying, the tights is super comfortable, a lot of stretch to it. I like that it has a little pocket right here, so if you're working out you can stick your phone or whatever you want to stick in your pocket. The only thing I would have sized up is maybe this. Actually, it's okay. This is okay, but I can definitely size up if I wanted to. The material is really thick as well, so if you're sweating, you don't have to worry about like your nips like showing or anything. Yeah, this is really nice. I really like this. The tights I really like as well. It makes my butt look really cute, and I don't really have a lot of butt. But yeah, we're gonna try on the next fit. Up, we got this full matching set. This is my favorite so far, actually. So I'm a big fan of shirts like this. Like I love shirts like this. And it also has the part you can put your fingers in it for when you're working out. This is super cute. This is an extra small as well. This is my favorite, definitely my favorite. And you know, you can zip it down if you want it to be zipped down. And I just paired it with the tights that I had on before. This right here is giving me motivation to work out. This right here is giving me motivation. The material is really thick, so if I want to go for a jog or work out outside, especially in the fall weather, because in Canada it is getting a little bit more on the fall side, so a little bit colder, cooler, this is definitely it. A lot of stretch to it as well. The material, I'm actually really surprised that the material is this thick. Like I love this. This is really cute. I like it a lot. And the sizing right now is perfect. This is extra small, as I said before, so the sizing is really nice. This one is a little thinner than the one that I just had, but again, I feel like when you're working out, you don't really want everything to be like super like thick on you. Well, at least me. So this is a little on the thinner side. This is an extra small, as I said before. I don't know if it's see-through. I can't really tell, but it does have this cute little cutout right here. My bra showing through it. But I do like that. I really like that CUPShe added this athletic section. But I like the color. The color is really cute. The one thing I like about the two tops that I tried on is that I can literally pair these with other stuff. Like they don't only have to be worn just because I'm working out. Like I can just pair them with even the pants, the jogging pants I had on earlier, or like my sweats or like my jeans, whatever. But yeah, that's what I really like about this, and I like that they have like the little design on the side, so that's super cute. Again, I just have it paired with my the leggings that I had on earlier, so you can really mismatch. The one that I had before, the black top I had on before did not go with the black tights. I just paired them that way. But yeah, so far so good. So far so good. And then next up, I got to the black pants, the tights, I got this gray color, which is an extra small as well. Again, you see how you can literally match them and they just look so good together. You can mix and match them, which I really like. And again, this one does have the pocket on the side. This one doesn't have the mesh side versus the black one that I had on, but still really cute. This is an extra small, fits really nice. I'm happy that I went with extra small for all the sizes and for all the stuff that I got, because if I had went one size up, I think it would have been a little too big. But the extra small does fit really comfortable, and it's really comfortable. The material is like super nice, guys. I'm not even lying. I don't even have that much bottoms, but this makes me look like I got, but so yeah, this is how it looks. But yeah, overall, I must say I am super happy with these choices. Again, I want to thank CUPShe for sponsoring this video. I just want to come on here really quick to show you guys these cute athletic fits that I got. If you guys are interested in checking them out, I will link all the links to these direct items in my description box below, as well as their website. And if I have any discount codes, you will see that there as well. I think this vlog is going to end right here because it is pretty long. I'm about to order some pizza for us and I'm just going to chill out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment as usual. I really appreciate all the love and support. But big up your guys' self. And with that being said, I am outie. I'll see you in the next vlog.
Them not care for you will be alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.